Good evening, sir. May I have a moment of your time?
Sure, officer. Is everything all right?
I have reason to believe that you may have been involved in an incident earlier today. A man was found dead, shot.
What? No way. I had nothing to do with that. Why would you think that?
We've received some information that suggests otherwise. Can you tell me why you might have wanted to harm this man?
I swear, officer, I didn't want to harm anyone. I don't even know who you're talking about.
Alright, let's start from the beginning then. Where were you earlier today around the time of the incident?
I was at work. I can give you my boss's number if you need to confirm.
That's a start. Can anyone else verify your whereabouts?
Yeah, my co-worker, Lisa. She was with me the whole time.
Okay, I'll need her contact information as well. And do you have any enemies or anyone who might want to frame you for this?
Not that I know of, officer. I keep to myself mostly.
Fair enough. Let's talk about your movements after work. Did you go straight home?
Yeah, I did. I just wanted to relax after a long day.
Can anyone confirm that you were at home?
My roommate, Mark. He was there when I got back.
Alright, I'll need to speak with him too. We'll verify your alibi and go from there.
Of course, officer. Anything to clear my name.
I was told by someone that you are involved in this case, as we found a wallet near the accident happened.
Wallet can be of anybody, sir. I didn't go from that route as there was too much trafficking.
We will check that in detail, and there are two suspicion in this case. One of them are you.
I can understand, sir, but I swear I'm not involved in this accident. Whatever will be needed to clear my name, I'll do that.
Thank you for your cooperation. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you, officer. I hope you find the real culprit soon.
We've confirmed your alibi, sir. You're free to go.
Thank you, officer. I knew I had nothing to do with it.
Apologies for the inconvenience. Have a good evening.
You too, officer. Take care.